Hey guys, all right. Welcome to my show. Thank you very much for watching my show. All right, guys, today I have delicious recipe. All right, I'm gonna show you exactly what I have here. Look at that. Look at my table, how beautiful and colorful and busy. All right, today I'm gonna make French slider with roast beef. All right, it's gonna bring the flavor together, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell exactly what I have here. All right, but don't be afraid, guys. All right, very good. I have here 1 teaspoon of sesame, 1 teaspoon of papi. I have 1 jalapeno pepper. If you guys doesn't like jalapeno pepper, just don't use. Also, I have a ½ cup of mayonnaise. I have here a half stick of butter. I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Plus, I have 4 cloves of garlic. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, just don't use. All right. Also, I have here some olive oil. I have just to brush here. All right, don't have to put much. I'll show you guys how to do it. Also, I have provolone cheese. I have ½ pound. All right. Also, I have ½ pound of mozzarella cheese. All right, guys, to bring the flavor together. All right. Also, I also have 2 onions. All right. Doesn't have to be that big onions, a medium size. Right. Also, I have here 1 pound of roast beef. All right, guys. Also, I have 12 Hawaiian buns. All right, so let's cook with me. All right, but don't be afraid, guys. Don't be afraid. All right, so first I'm gonna brush with olive oil. All right, before go to the oven. You don't have to put too much, right? Just a little bit, so it doesn't stick together the bread. All right, that's looking good. Very good. All right. Do the same way. All right. Very good. It's looking good. All right. Very good. Good. Now, my next step. Let's put these babies over here. Right. Not this one. This one stays. Just the bad one, okay? Looking good, very good. So now I'm gonna leave this here, all right? Because I'm gonna cook now the onions, all right? Good to cook with me? All right, guys, but don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna need this. Put my oven on, all right? First, I'm going to use my olive oil. Very good. All right. And also, this I'm going to make 12 more. All right. But this I'm going to do later. All right. Not for the show. All right. I just want to show you guys how to do it. All right. Very good. So let's warm up this oil. All right. And I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, guys, my oil is ready. I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my garlic, all right? Oh, yes, very good. All right, and my next step, it's gonna be my onions. All right, very good. Very good. All right, guys, my next step is gonna be my jalapeno. Very good. Mix it up a little bit. That smells good. My kitchen smells very, very good, guys. And I'm hungry. All right. So, all right. let's cook these babies a little bit, all right? And I'll be right back. All right, guys, my onions and my jalapeno is cooking, all right? It's cooking. Now it's time for the black pepper, all right? Very good. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, very good. All right, let's stir this a little bit. All right, let's cook these babies and I'll be right back. All right, guys, my next step, it's gonna be my butter. All right, the butter, I'm gonna just put a little bit, all right, and I'm gonna save the rest, all right, for later. All right, so let's finish cook these babies and I'll be right back. All right, my onions is ready. You guys can take a look. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to reserve. All right, reserve my onions. Very good. Very good, guys. Turn off this. So now, my next step. That's my mayonnaise. All right. You're gonna. Right. Don't have to put too much. All right. Just each one. All right. Just take your time. All right. Very good. All right, guys. We almost finished here with my mayonnaise. All right. So, very good. All right. So I did not use my whole entire mayonnaise. You have a little bit left over, but you guys can save. All right. Very good. All right. So now, my next step is gonna be my roast beef. All right, guys, my roast beef. It's gonna taste good. It's gonna feel good. All right, guys. All right, guys. Now my next step is my roast beef. It's looking good. All right. Very good. I already did this way because it's easier. So I don't want a big, too many hours, too long, right? The video will be too long. So this way, so you guys can put any amount you guys want. All right. So after this, I'm gonna do my mozzarella cheese. All right. Very good. And the rest I mix it up with the other one. Now it's my provolone cheese. All right, guys. Very good. So provolone cheese, you just have to add it in the top. All right. So the color and the flavor comes together, guys. All right. Very good. Right? Type of food, it's good for kids, birthdays, right? Or appetizers, whatever, guys, use whatever you want. All right. So, right, use all the cheese, very good. All right, guys. Now my next step, it's gonna be my onions. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a little bit in each one, all right? All right, very good. The onions, it's looking good. It smells very good. All right, it's looking good. Then look forward to take the first bite. All right. So. Put more over here, a little bit here, too. Right. If you guys want to use more onions, just add it. One more onions, all right? Very good. All right. So now my next step. See how beautiful look, guys? All right, very good. Very good. So my next step, I'm gonna cover. Very good. These babies is getting ready to go to the oven. Very good. All right, guys. Now what you're gonna do is I mix it up also the leftover, all right? The oil from the onions. I mix it up a little bit here to bring the flavor together, all right? Very good. So like what you do is you brush each one, all right? Very good. Very good. Right? Very good. All right. So now my next step is gonna be this is my sesame and my papi. You mix both together, right? Make sure if it's well mixed. Right? If you want more, you just add it more. You just put in the top. Right? It's looking good, guys. And it smells all over my kitchen. Yep. Very good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. All right. Just a sprinkle everywhere. Very good. Beautiful. All right, guys. My oven is preheat. All right, for 350. All right. Going to cook with me? All right, guys. Let's go. Very good. Look, let's cook these babies. All right. And I'll be right back. All right, guys. Time to check. All right. This has been cooking for 10 minutes. All right. All right. Very good. Ooh la la. Very good, guys. I'm gonna let this cook, all right, for 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my final product. All right, here you go. All right, it looks beautiful. It's melting, and it's gonna taste good. But I'm gonna let you know. All right, hey guys, if you want a good food, all right, you're gonna need a very good recipe, all right? So don't forget to subscribe in my channel, all right? And I'm sure you're gonna be happy today and forever. All right, guys, now I'm gonna let you know how this tastes, all right? I'm gonna take this by hand, all right? I'm gonna put one here, one there, because I'm hungry, all right? They are tiny, they are not big, all right? And they look good. All right, one fall off. Crunchy. Delicious, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna let you know how this tastes. All right. Nice and hot. All right, you guys ready? I am. All right. Very good, guys. It's melting all over my mouth. All right, I have to take another bite. Very good. It's a little messy. All right, but it's delicious. Very good. I'm sorry, guys. All right. Cheers.